Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Zelle error code 2900. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up the Play Store and search for Zelle. And guys, on my case, I don't have this application compatible, but when you have, just make sure you have the latest version of the app. And the second option, guys, is go to the settings and go to the apps. And then from here, guys, just find Zelle application. But for this video, since I don't have the app, I'm gonna use Amazon Music as an example. So guys, just click on the Zelle app and go to storage. And after that, tap on a clear cache and also tap on a clear data and then click OK. And from that, you should be able to fix the problem. And guys, the third option that you have is uninstall the app and try installing it again. So guys, once you have uninstalled the application, just go back again to the Google Play Store and try installing the application again. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Zelle application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.